assignment here is to emphasize recovery-based workouts, things like breathing, foam rolling, brief bouts of high intensity followed by lots of recovery to activate parasympathetic nervous system function. Secondly, giving your brain a break from the non-stop dose of technology, coming out and hitting a few chip shots before going back to your busy day at the computer. And finally, mindfulness practices like I described my chest freezer cold plunge. That's a total meditative experience for me because I'm working through 20 cycles of deep diaphragmatic breaths. I'm overcoming my reaction to the freezing cold water by being mindful and focusing on my breathing. You can do formal meditation. You can write in a gratitude journal. That's been shown to activate parasympathetic function. Downtime, the lost art of downtime, reclaiming it, resting like a mofo.